Hey all, I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, we will discuss how can we create a custom hook basically for copying any data, any text from the browser. So in our when we work on the websites and we multiple times we need to apply apply logic and for copying the text from the browser. So at that time how can we just need to write a same code for multiple screens and multiple times for copying data to the clipboard. Okay, so we can what we can do, we can just create a custom hook for the same code, and we just call that hook from other screens also. So at that time we don't need to, we can easily ignore that rewriting of the same code. Okay, so what we can do, basically let's see how it works basically. So here is some content. So welcome to our channel. So I just copy this content. Welcome to our YouTube. And once I click on this text copy, okay. So text will be copied. Let me paste it here in the VS Code. Uh, Control V. Okay. So as we saw, how much text I have selected on the screen, it just copied now. I missed the. Let me comment it. Yeah. I just missed the E from YouTube, so it didn't copy to the clipboard. Okay, so how we can implement this code, this custom hook to our code? Let's see. For that, we just go to the VS Code. Before starting to the code explanation part, let's discuss how the structure will work basically here. So here you show there is src file. Inside that we have a parent file named as app.js, and second file folder is basically components. Inside that we created multiple components for multiple custom hooks we discussed in the previous videos also. uh, so for the current custom hook, the copy to clipboard hook, for this we just created a separate folder you named as use copy to clipboard, and inside this there is two files named as use copy dot clipboard. So this, in this file we just write exact logic to copying data from to the uh, to the clipboard, and second is basically a component which we call from the app.js. So inside this we just write all the all the thing which we are able to see on the browser. Okay, so what, how it works basically. So we just call that hook use copy to clipboard. Okay, just go to this hook and let's see how, what the exact logic we are entered here. So we first create a state named as is copied, and it's basically a blue boolean value, and it just give us it's we use it as a flag, so it give us like is our data is copied to the clipboard or not. Okay, now we create a function which we return from this hook. Okay, so using that copy function, user can call this all the method, and inside that we just write this line. So window dot get selection. What this method do basically, once user will select any text from on the browser, so it will exactly get that selected text from the browser and convert it to the string and store it to the this variable text to copy. And now for copying that text to the our clipboard, what we follow, navigator dot uh, clipboard, and after that it give us a method that dot write text, and inside that we just need to pass that our text. So what user selected we get inside the text to copy, and we just pass it to this method. So it will save that text to our clipboard. And now what we did, we just make this flag true. Because of that we user are still able to understand whether uh, selected text is copied or not. And now after 2 seconds we just update it like false. So as once you go to the screen, and currently the text is look like copy text. Let me select from here we discussed. Okay, now click on, once we click on copy text, it becomes copied. Okay, and after 2 seconds it change back to the copy text. Okay, let me paste what I have copied right now. So as we saw, here the copy data is we discussed what just selected on the browser. So it exactly copy what user selected on the browser. And in the return, what we return basically the current state of this flag, basically whether data is copied or not. And the second is a copy, basically this method. And so while using this hook, what we can do, uh, just call this hook, and as the object, we get easily that boolean value which give us whether the data is copied or not. If it's true, then we can do our apply our logic. So I have what I did basically. Once it give true, then I write this button name as a copied, and if it's false, then name of the button will be copy text, as same as on button click. I just call this method copy method, and this copy method simply do this all the logic, like collect all the selected text from the browser and save it to the clipboard. So I hope you guys are getting exactly what and how this custom hook will work for the copy to clipboard. So thank you.